Hello guys, welcome to Fish Academy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to maximize profit as regards fish farming, especially for those of you that want to be hatching your own fish. You want to hatch your fish in order to select the shooters, or you want to hatch your fish, you want to breed and sell. This is a good news for you. In fact, it's a good news for you. You have just click on the right channel for your solution. But before I go ahead, please check below this video to click on the subscription button. You'll see one red button, and what is there? It says subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button once, and after you have click on the subscribe button, D is going to be added to it, and you are going to see another thing popped up, which is the notification button, like a bell. Click on that bell in order for you to be notified whenever I bring you new videos. Don't forget, I have over 120 videos on this channel showing you how to do different things, how to produce your fish, how to eat, how to make fish food, how to do different things. You just need to watch them. So to go ahead, what is the good news? The good news is that you no longer need overhead tank in your farm. Is that not a good news? The good news is that you no longer need an overhead tank. It is very, very expensive to set up an overhead tank, starting from the tank stand that will support the reservoir, and you can imagine so many things that what it will cost you for you to have a reservoir, an overhead tank to supply water to your hatchery. This that you are seeing here formerly was serving me as my pond 7, but because I'm now hatching my own fish, I'm now hatching fish here in my farm, I have to convert this my pond 7 to serve me as my reservoir, and it has been doing me so well. Why do I have to do this? My first hatching here in this farm, I discovered that it wasn't that funny. It wasn't funny at all. Whenever I pumped in water into my reservoir, before 2 hours, 3 hours, the water is finished, and maybe you go to bed. You know, you need to do a flow through in your hatchery, especially at the first 24 to 48 hours. There need to be a continuous flow of water in and out. So before the thing will be over, before the break, the water is already finished, and it wasn't funny. So I said, how can I solve this problem? I wake up one day and I said, fine, I'm going to use this as my reservoir. It wasn't a bad thought at all. See, this is where I do discharge water from, and from this tank, when it was serving me as a fish tank, now reservoir. These pipes, they are smaller ones. I also have a point where I do open the big valve for a huge volume of water to go out. So from this discharge point, I then do a connection. You know, this place, once I open this 2 valve here, the water from the tank will move out. This point you see here initially was not there. So whenever I open this valve, the water will gouge out from here, and it moves through this point until it gets out. So the idea was, how can I be supplying my hatchery water, a huge volume of water? Don't forget, in here is over 20,000 liters of water. And you know what it means. If you have to set up an overhead tank of over 120,000 liters, it will cost you dope, man. It will cost you a lot. So in here, it's down. It's not overhead. It's not an overhead tank. It's down here. So as I said, this point was not there. So to supply water to my hatchery, I have to cut the pipe, the discharge pipe here. And I also place a T joint here. After I've placed my T joint, you see this point now controlling, you see this valve that do control this place. So whenever I lock this place and I open this place, water will move from the tank straight, instead of going this way this time around, because this place is closed. It's a closed valve. When I open here like this, water will move straight. and this is how I did the construction. This is how I converted this pond. So let me take you to the hatchery. Let me show you where the hatchery is. I'm going to open this valve now. The water have not been running for some time now, so I'm going to open this valve. So I take you to where the hatchery is. So this is a valve. Let's trace the line. We trace the line from here down here. Can you see this? Let's trace this line carefully. Don't forget, I did all this connection myself. I didn't call anybody. I did the connection myself. So I hope you're tracing the line with me. This is how I did the connection. Can you see? This is the line taking it straight to the hatchery, and this is my hatchery. For those of you that have been following me on this channel, you are also going to see what is inside. My fish, they are just 6 weeks old in there, and they are doing very, very great. You might not see clearly because of the color of the hatchery, what the color in there. So can you see this? Because it's a little bit higher, so I have to bring up the pipe this way. Can you see this? So this is the entry point to the hatchery, and I then close this with a red mud. Okay, so let me take you close to the hatchery. I believe you can hear the sound of water dropping into the hatchery. Now this is the hatchery, and this is water entering into the hatchery from the reservoir. In other words, I cut cuts. Can you see this? There are a lot of fish in here, but you are not going to see them because of the color of the place. Can you see? Okay, so I believe that you really understand what I'm trying to make you understand here, that you can actually hatch your fish without thinking of an overhead tank. All you need to do, if you have a concrete tank or you have a tarpaulin tank in your fish farm, just convert one of it, maybe the biggest or any one you wish to convert. Just convert any of that pond to serve you as a reservoir. Then take the connection from the discharge point and then link it straight to your hatchery. Whenever you open that valve, the water from the discharge from that point will supply your hatchery, and you can then sleep in the night with your 2 eyes closed, knowing that that water is running in and out simultaneously. So thank you very much. If you find this video helpful, just please share this video with your friends who are into fish farming, or you have intended fish farmers as friends. Just share this video with them. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification button also. Thank you very much for checking on my channel. This is your humble friend, Fish Academy. I want to sincerely thank you for making Fish Academy channel your most preferred fish farming channel on YouTube. I have over 120 videos on this channel. What you need to do, for those of you that have been complaining that they see just 3 videos, all you need to do is to look below above this video. Just click on where you see click on the icon, that fish head below this video. Just click on where you see Fish Academy. Click on it where you see the number of subscribers. Just click on that place. After you've clicked on that place, it's going to take you to my channel home, and you see the home, and the next thing you see videos, and you see playlist. Just click on that videos. Once you click on the videos, you are going to see, just scroll down, you are going to see over 120 videos that have been posted on this channel on how to produce your fish food, on how to spawn, on how to breed, how to do kakaban, how to construct your pond, how to go about successful fish farming, the calculation to feed 500 fish from day 1 to 6 months. And everything you need to know about fish farming, they are on this channel. But anyone that you've not yet seen on my channel, you can please make use of the comment box, drop your comment, and I will reply you as expected. Thank you very much. This is Fish Academy. I love you.